my channel. So as promised, I am back with another fall video. This time I have this pretty smoky green metallic fall inspired makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Oh, and also if you are not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell down below. That way you'll never miss a video. Every time I post, you'll be notified as soon as I post the video. Anyways, let's just jump right into it. So as you guys can see, I already have my foundation and brows done, which I will link everything down below that I've used. But first I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I'm taking this drugstore big fluffy blending brush. It's pretty oversized, and then I'm just going in with those two lighter colors in the palette, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids just so my eyelids aren't too oily from the foundation, and everything all blends really well together and doesn't kind of crease or anything like that. Now I'm taking my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going in with this light brown shade, and I like to start off with lighter browns and build up to darker browns or whatever color you're planning on using for your crease, just to kind of carve out that crease. So we are going to be using some darker pigmented colors that have a lot of sparkle in them, so I just wanted to create an in-depth crease of a deep brown. Next I'm taking the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm taking an even darker brown, and I'm just going to really carve out that crease and kind of wing it out into the outer corners. Now I'm taking this little tiny Morphe brush. I don't have it in front of me, but I will link it down below. It's part of the Jaclyn Hill collection, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bones with one of those lighter white colors in the palette as well. And now I am taking another Morphe brush, and I'm just going to blend out the crease even more and make sure there's no harsh lines. And now I'm taking this Sonia Kashuk number 20 fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to do the same thing and blend that out even more. Now I'm taking this Marc Jacobs concealer and this drugstore brush in the same kit as the one I was using before, and I'm just going to cut out the crease. And I'm going to brush over some of that white powder with that same brush and just kind of prime that . After I do the same thing to the other eye, I'm going to go in with the pigment, and I'm taking this IT Cosmetics Fluffy Blending Brush, and I'm taking that green sparkle color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to blend that out on the outer corners of my eye and kind of wing it out into the brown. I'm literally obsessed with this color green. It is so sparkly, even more sparkly in person. And then to really blend that all together, I'm taking this really fluffy, oversized Morphe M504 blending brush. It's my favorite for really getting in there and blending everything together, making sure the look comes together. Now I'm taking another IT Cosmetics brush, and after I wet that, I'm going to go in with that same green color, and I'm also going to be mixing it with a color from the Urban Decay Precious Metals palette, and I'm just going to put that all over on top and make it even extra sparkly. Now I'm going in with this beautiful lime green color from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and this color is called Planet X. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to wet that and really make it pop on the inner corners of my eyelids, and then blend that all together with the same Morphe M441 brush. Now I'm going in with this NYC black pencil liner, and I'm just going to put that in my waterline. And I'm taking my Man Eater mascara from Tarte. I'm going to do my bottom lashes, and I will also put these on my top lashes. First, I'm going to go in with my favorite liquid eyeliner at the moment. It's the Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner from Too Faced. It creates the best wing, and it's so, so easy to use. Now I'm going in with this NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in the color Gold, and I'm going to place that on top of the liner and make it even more sparkly, because honestly in this look I was just feeling the sparkles and I felt like I couldn't get enough. So then here we go, I'm just going to put that Man-Eater mascara on my top lashes. I do have eyelash extensions on, so I will not be wearing falsies. Now I'm going in with my favorite M432 brush. This is perfect for really getting the eyeshadow up into the bottom of your waterline, and then after that I like to blend it out with my Morphe E18 brush, and I'm taking that darker green and a brown from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. Then I'm going in with just that same brush and putting a little pop of that green Planet X color in my tear ducts. Need a drink of water. I was dying of thirst. These lights are so hot. Now I'm going in with my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. One of my favorites, as it's probably everyone's. I use the color Light just because I like my under eyes to be very, very bright. And I'm taking my Beauty Blender from Real Techniques. After blending that all out, I'm going in with my Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte Cosmetics, and I'm just going to pat that all over my highlighted areas and set them. And after, I'm going to contour my nose with my Morphe E47 brush, my absolute favorite recommendation for a nose contour brush. It really gets in there and really sculpts out the nose. After that, I like to blend out the harsh lines with my E6 brush. It's just kind of like this flat stippling brush. I love it. Again, all of these brushes can be found pretty much in the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Favorites brush collection, which I will link down below. Except for this one, I'm taking my Sigma F84 contour brush, and I'm just going to use that color in the Park Avenue Princess palette. I like to use the sparkly color just because, I don't know, it's just my preference for how I like my cheekbones to be carved out. And I'm just going to contour my forehead and my cheeks with that. Then I'm taking my Morphe R2 bronzing brush, and I'm just going to put away any harsh lines. Then I'm taking this Lorac blush palette, which I've just discovered that I love using even more lately, and I'm taking that golden hour color, and I'm just going to kind of bronze up those bronze areas even more. And then I'm going to strobe my cheeks with this pretty brush. I think I got this from Home Goods actually, and I'm taking this Hourglass strobing powder in the color Incandescent, and then I'm taking my Morphe M5110 highlighting brush, the best highlighting brush, and using this Bella Pierre highlight in the color Sultry. As for the lips, I'm taking this NARS pencil in the color Rikugian, I believe it's called, and I'm just going to kind of do like an ombre lip I was feeling, because this was a little too dark for me at the moment. So on the insides, I'm going to use this color 230. It's called Creme by CoverGirl, and I'm just going to put that inside and kind of like ombre my lips out with both of those colors. After that, I'm just going to set my face, and that's pretty much it for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.